When people hear Jamaican Escoveitch sauce, they should think of a bold, sharp, and simple flavor rooted in our island's history. The truth is, traditional Jamaican Escoveitch sauce was introduced during the Spanish occupation of Jamaica, and for centuries it has been made using only 4 core ingredients: warmed white vinegar, sliced onions, Scotch bonnet peppers or other hot peppers, pimento seeds, called allspice by foreigners. The method was just as important as the ingredients. The vinegar was warmed and poured over the fresh ingredients, then sealed tightly in a jar to marinate naturally. No sautéing, no cooking, no carrots, no Cho-Cho, which is chayote. This was, and still is, the authentic Jamaican Escoveitch sauce. In recent years, some big food companies in Jamaica decided to add their twist to Escoveitch sauce, tossing in carrots, Cho-Cho, and other vegetables. There's nothing wrong with creating a new version. Creativity is fine. The real problem is when these companies market their modern twist as the original Jamaican Escoveitch sauce. Companies twisting authentic recipes and then mislabeling them as Jamaican Original, when it's really their version. Adding carrots and Cho-Cho, chayote, is fine as a variation. But it's not traditional Escoveitch. It's a modern remix, and that's okay, as long as they label it honestly. This misrepresentation confuses younger Jamaicans who aren't deeply connected to the traditional ways, and it misleads foreigners into believing that this altered version is how it's always been. Over time, this weakens our culture, quietly but surely. If these companies labeled their products honestly, for example, Walkerswood Escoveitch-style sauce, that would be fair. But calling it Jamaican Escoveitch sauce when it's not true to the original is cultural erasure. One Escoveitch, many variations, but only one. Origin. Of course, if you personally want to add carrots, Cho-Cho, or even sauté the onions before adding vinegar, that's your choice. But understand, that's a variation, not the authentic Escoveitch sauce passed down through generations. There is only one original method, and it deserves to be preserved and respected. Why it matters? Because food is not just food, it's history, memory, and identity. If we lose the real flavors of our past, we lose part of who we are as Jamaicans. We must protect and pass on the truth about our dishes, just like we protect our music, language, and stories. Our Escoveitch sauce is more than a condiment. It's a cultural treasure. Let's keep it real.